Tired of boring slide decks? You know the ones I mean. Same old templates, same old layouts, nothing that really grabs attention. If you want infographic-style presentations that actually pop and look professional, you are in the right place. I am going to show you exactly how to get Gamma AI to generate one for you in seconds. No design skills required, no staring at a blank page wondering where to start, just a simple process that works. So here's the plan. We're going to start with a solid prompt, generate an outline to make sure everything is on track, and then let Gamma do all the heavy lifting. I will walk you through every single click so you can follow along right now. First, head over to Gamma and click the Generate button. It is that big button front and center on their homepage. You cannot miss it. This is where the magic begins. Go ahead and click that, and it will open up the prompt window, where we get to tell Gamma exactly what we want. Now, this is the really important part. This is where most people get tripped up. They type something super vague, like make a presentation, and end up with generic results. Don't do that. Instead, you want to be specific. You want to tell Gamma exactly what you need. So here is a proven example that works every time. Type this in. Create a presentation about the future of work by 2035 using infographic style. See what I did there? I gave it a clear topic, a specific time frame, and most importantly, I told it to use the infographic style. That last part is the secret sauce. That is what transforms your presentation from a standard slide deck into something visually engaging with charts, icons, and data-driven layouts. And here is the thing. This is a technique I have tested over and over, and it consistently delivers great results. So take a moment to craft your own version using that same structure: topic, time frame, and infographic style. Once your prompt is ready, click the button to generate the outline. Gamma is going to take a moment to think about what you asked for, and then it will present you with a structured outline of your entire presentation. This is your chance to see if the AI understood what you wanted. Look through each section and make sure it covers the topics that matter to you. If something looks off, you can tweak the prompt and try again. But in my experience, if you used a clear prompt like the one I just showed you, this outline is going to look really good. All right, you have reviewed the outline and everything looks solid. Now it is time for the big moment. Hit the Generate button to create the full presentation. This part might take a minute or two to process because Gamma is building out every single slide with the infographic style you requested. It is pulling in icons, charts, color schemes, and layouts that match the modern, data-driven look you are after. So just sit back and let it work. And there you have it. From a vague idea to a fully generated, professional-looking infographic deck in just a few minutes. You started with nothing but a topic. You gave Gamma a clear direction, and it did the rest. Now you have a presentation that does not just inform your audience, it actually impresses them. Go ahead and give this a try with your own topic, and I will see you in the next one.